Initially, I am OMD Han Tae-young. Today, we explore the constitutional archetypes and understand the essence of humanity through Sasang medicine.
We will investigate the dynamics of yin and yang in human physiology, establishing a foundation of water metabolism.
Sasang typology rejects modern medicine's low-sodium dogma, choosing to adapt treatments according to opposing energetic forces. While Western medicine uniformly prescribes low-salt diets, Sasang medicine distinguishes therapies based on constitutional dualities. The universal cycle of solstices represents the shifts of seasons, where the Taeuguk records extreme yin transitioning into extreme yang.
This diagnostic matrix compares the vector of force, body structure, pathologies, and physical compensations of yin and yang. Yang is the force of expansion. This heat expands the internal biological space, allowing it to trap and embrace moisture. Thus, a fully hydrated state in living organisms is fundamentally a manifestation of yang energy. At the winter solstice, extreme yin causes contraction, while the summer solstice's yang triggers steam, cloud, and expansion. As yang weakens, yin forces draw energy inward, reducing biological space and forcing moisture to be expelled. Systemic contraction in extreme yin shrinks biological space, triggering diuresis and leading to overall systemic dehydration. By redefining yin as dehydration and yang as hydration, we unlock a precise framework for interpreting complex human symptoms. A tree absorbing water represents yang dominance, while a drying tree losing moisture illustrates yin dominance. Yin body types naturally pool energy downward, causing ischemia in the brain, which triggers compensatory vascular dilation and headaches. Airplane descent mimics yin's inward compression, while elevator ascent pulls internal blood flow downward away from the brain. During a sudden drop of upward blood flow, the body instinctively bends the knees to stabilize against the downward pull. Dehydration reduces total plasma volume, triggering compensatory vascular dilation in the head, causing dizziness, tinnitus, and headaches. Yang body types structurally focus energy upward, creating excessive blood flow and pressure that results in intense headaches. During airplane ascent, internal qi expands outward, while elevator drops force energy upward, reflecting the rising nature of yang. To balance the sudden upward surge, the body instinctively straightens the legs, creating solid structural support. Yin body types possess a stable triangular structure where energy settles downward, triggering compensatory dilation in the head. Yang body types operate on an unstable inverted triangle where energy rapidly ascends, causing severe dizziness and imbalance. This diagnostic matrix compares the geometry, force vectors, fluid states, and root causes of symptoms for yin and yang types. Western medicine acts as a micro-lens camera, while Eastern medicine maps the entire human universe using holistic energetic vectors. Western medicine captures isolated snapshots of symptoms, but Eastern medicine tracks the underlying invisible flows before they manifest. Hydration is a yang phenomenon of water retention, while dehydration and frequent urination represent a yin contraction. Water absorption activates sophisticated neural and osmotic systems controlled by ion channels the moment it touches the mouth. The stomach functions as a reservoir rather than an absorber, emptying pure water rapidly but holding fats much longer. The small intestine is the key absorber, recycling about 8 to 9 liters of both ingested water and digestive fluids daily. Water is not actively pumped. Instead, solutes move first to create an osmotic gradient, and water passively follows. The SGLT1 transporter pulls sodium and glucose in a precise ratio, establishing the primary osmotic force for water attraction. On the basolateral membrane, the Na plus K plus ATPase pump actively expels sodium, keeping intracellular concentration low to drive absorption. Under a solute gradient, water is drawn into blood vessels. Oral rehydration therapy uses this exact physiological mechanism to cure dehydration. Aquaporins act as specialized high-speed channels, allowing massive water flow directly across cell membranes.
The jejunum expands its total surface area by 600 times through folds, villi, and microvilli to maximize water absorption.
The large intestine is the final water recovery station, utilizing aldosterone to extract the last drops of fluid through sodium absorption. Absorbed water travels through the portal vein to the liver, entering systemic circulation to successfully secure plasma volume. Oral and pharyngeal receptors signal the hypothalamus, allowing the brain to preemptively relieve thirst before blood osmolarity changes. This masterfully balanced homeostatic cycle keeps the dynamic circulatory system perfectly hydrated and stable. Every individual is governed by a dominant energy vector of spring, summer, autumn, or winter, shaping their physical archetype.
Our anatomy acts as energy architecture. Skeletal and muscular structures expand where internal energy dominates and contract where it is weak.
The four trajectories are Wood's vertical growth, Fire's outward dispersion, Metal's inward gathering, and Winter's condensing storage. This matrix shows animal archetypes. Taeyang is the deer, Souyang is the lion, Taeeum is the hippo, and Soeumin is the mouse. Spring types, or greater yang, exhibit explosive, soaring energy, matched with high alertness and nicotine pathways. Summer types, or lesser yang, possess fast, agile, and dispersing energy, closely linked to muscarine pathways. Fall types, or greater yin, display slow, heavy, gathering energy, governed by dopamine stability and reward pathways. Winter types, or lesser yin, are characterized by stationary, concentrating, and resting energy, powered by serotonin serenity. This contrast highlights the differences between autumn's gathering vector and winter's condensing vector across organs and career types. Taeeum represents autumn. They have a highly developed midsection, robust liver, and excellent endurance, but a weaker neck. Soeumin represents winter. They feature a developed lower body, precise cognitive processing, and highly sensitive senses. This comparison summary clearly contrasts the water-like gathering energy of Taeeum with the metal-like condensing energy of Soeumin. Taeeumin make up 45% of Koreans. They have strong digestion, a developed waist, and excel as engineers and doctors. Taeeumin should maintain a straight posture and use a low pillow to aid breathing and cerebral blood flow. Soeumin are quiet, reserved, and extremely precise. Their core psychological pattern is questioning and seeking stability. Representing 40% of Koreans, Soeumin have strong kidney function but weak spleen and stomach systems, making them highly analytical. Constitution is hereditary. The British royal family, including King Charles and Queen Elizabeth, vividly display Soeumin lineages. Soeumin type 42 has a narrow face, clustered features, values secrecy, and prefers precise, independent thinking. This page compares the robust lower body and delicate emotions of Taekook 3 and Soeumin type 42. Let's deconstruct the genetic and emotional code of a champion, the gentle giant Kang Ho-dong. Though massive in build like a Taeeumin, Kang Ho-dong's deep sensitivity and precise emotions reveal his true Soeumin classification. His physical dominance conquered the Serim sand ring, but his true constitution lies deeper than his athletic frame. Clinical coding classifies this unique double Taeum stacking and secondary traits as genetic combinations 4233 or 4133. Hearing his father weep over a payphone without a word of congratulations conveyed the deepest pride to the young champion. These shared tears validate his true constitution, a profound sensitivity and empathy encased in a powerful exterior. The winter-like condensed energy of Soeumin types is beautifully shown in the silent, powerful resistance of Martin Luther King Jr. and Gandhi. Soeumin also hold an explosive inner sense of joy, showcased on stage by entertainers like Psy and John Travolta. Perfectionist computer geniuses like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates embodied the precise, error-free reasoning of the Soeumin. In contrast, Elon Musk and Jensen Huang exhibit the massive, inclusive gathering gravity of the Taeeumin autumn constitution. The genius inventor Nikola Tesla is Taeyongsung Soeumin, code 41. If you want to know more details, please visit the blog. Thank you.